Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, TCS has announced the interview result, and congratulations to each one of you who has received the result from TCS for Ninja Digital and Prime Profile. And TCS will be still sending the result. You can also check with your TPO and in the next step portal. Anyway, so today we have a special guest with us. Her name is Ankita Roy Chaudhary. She belongs from Kolkata, and today she is here. So she is going to guide you, like once you get selected, your offer letter is with you. Now what will be the next process? What is BGC, ILP, TCS Explore? You need NSR, you need you know uh, your passport. So all those things, like, we are going to talk here. And one more thing, so she got upgraded from Ninja to Digital after writing exams. So that also we will talk. So she was selected for Ninja, and later on she was upgraded to Digital for a package of, right, digital package. Anyway, so welcome to Online Study for You platform, Ankita.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so please introduce yourself a bit, and then we can start with the question answer session.
Yeah, so my name is Ankita Rai Chaudhary, and I completed my computer science engineering in 2021 from Dr. Visira Engineering College. Then I applied for TCS through NQT platform, and then after I got selected, oh yeah, one thing I need to mention, I must be mentioning thank you, sir, for those courses. Like they are for presenting those courses at such an affordable rate, because I chose your courses only, be it for my upgradation exam or be it for cracking TCS exam. So yeah, so finally after giving the exam, I get selected and I received the offer letter.
Okay, so you
So
are working in TCS from last 2 years, so you will be the right person to guide, because
yeah,
many of them are also telling don't join TCS as a fresher. So all those things we will talk. Okay, so the first thing which I would like to ask you, so once you get the offer letter, right? So in your case, because it's been more than 2 years, you had attempted TCS and QT examination. So in your case, what had happened? So TCS letter offer letter came. It was showing in your portal, next step portal, and
yeah,
from there you will
yeah.
start. Yeah.
Yeah, so after receiving the offer letter, we have to accept it.
Mhm.
So they give us span of 7 to 10 days time, maybe different in your case. So in that means it's better if you want to join TCS, you accept it as soon as possible. Then after you accept the offer letter, within a span of 10 to 15 days, they'll be sending you explore courses. Now this explore is also a part of ILP, which I would like to mention. But ILP is done after joining, and it is something which you will do after you accept the offer letter. So
Okay.
in that, the course structure and everything is same as that ILP exams. Okay.
Mhm.
So in my case, I got 5 months time, because I was offered the letter in 7th semester, so I had 8 semester remaining. So that's why I got extra time.
Okay.
And in that 4 to 5 months time span,
Mhm.
it's better if you clear the exam.
Okay.
Because otherwise ILP training may be extended if you don't pass.
Okay.
So
So this TCS Explore,
starting from
like,
the explore training.
yeah. So this TCS
Yeah.
Explore, you tell us in detail, like what all things will be there, what language, how they have to prepare. Because there were a few days ago, one student were telling, sir, I was not able to clear this ILP, and that's how, like, I was terminated, something like that. So please tell us, like, what they should study in Explore or the ILP. So the complete thing, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So first let me describe the mark structure.
Mhm.
Okay, so it will be of 100 marks exam.
Mhm.
Okay, among it 50 marks will be on based on MCQs,
Mhm.
and 50 marks will be programming.
Okay.
Now, you have to select a programming language in which you want to give the exam.
Mhm.
So, in my case, it was Java, but you can select Python. In my time, there were two options only, Java or Python. So, I selected Java.
Mhm.
So, 50 marks Java MCQs will be there. And regarding that 50 marks coding section, 10 marks will come from Unix coding.
Okay.
So one question will be there from Unix, and only one Java programming question will be there, which will carry 40 marks. But that will be a lengthy question, so it will take some time. But if you practice, you can do it in proper time limit. So passing marks in my time it was 60
Okay. So this will
passing
be
marks. But
how many months training will be there? This Explore
no,
TCS.
no, explore, na, they'll be showing, sending you the video materials and everything. They
Mhm.
won't be teaching you personally.
Okay.
They'll send you the study materials.
Okay.
And you will have to follow and see everything. So
Okay.
it's on you how you pass it.
Okay.
After joining, they'll be teaching you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So yeah, so you'll be following the video materials and everything.
Mhm.
So yes, so that 50 mark in 40 marks, that Java question, that like it comes kind of similar only, means whatever they'll be teaching you in that explore video material, no, means it won't be very much different from that.
Mhm.
So it's not very tough. Okay, so yeah, so what I was talking about, in my time the explore passing was marks was 60.
Mhm.
And but maybe in later years it has increased to 80. I'm not very sure.
Mhm.
So yeah, but in ILP, there will again you will have to appear in the exam if you haven't passed the explore with 80% marks. Means explore passing marks is 60. So if you are getting 60%, you will pass in explore,
Mhm.
and you will be getting your joining benefits. Means in our time, if you pass with above 60% marks and within first 2 to 3 months of that receiving that course materials, it was around 40,000 for above 60% and 60,000 for above 80%. And after 3 months or something, 3 to 4 attempts, it became less. So it will gradually become less with time. But if you don't pass before you're joining now, so you won't be getting any joining bonus. Means it was the rule at our time.
Now
So
I
I
don't think
passed.
now I don't think TCS will be giving any bonus and all because
Yeah, means I'm not sure of the
no,
structure
no, no.
now.
I'm just telling because of this recession and because of this, the money crunch. So I don't think now they will be giving any kind of joining bonus.
I
They will
should
take from students only, but they will not give.
I shouldn't be discussing that then.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. So next,
So,
yeah.
yeah, so one more thing I want to mention here is regarding the training, that I passed with 60% in my time, and I stopped giving the exam because I thought I had passed, and then like I was sitting idly.
Mhm.
But what I didn't know is that ki in ILP na, you will have to again appear for ILP exam. Means question pattern will be same, kind of, but
Mhm.
you will again have to appear for ILP if you haven't cleared the explore with 60, means with more than 80% or 80%. Okay, so
Mhm.
that I didn't know. I thought I had passed explore, so that's why I won't have to give that ILP exam.
Mhm.
But
Mhm.
I had to give because I passed with 60%. So better try to pass with 80% only, because then ILP training will be short, means 7 to 10 days, and you won't have to appear for any exam, and you can enjoy your training period. What I'm saying is,
Okay. Okay.
then after I passed my explore, then after that means when I was about, means I cleared my semester,
Mhm.
or in between the semester only I received joining letter.
Mhm.
Now in joining letter, you will have to accept the joining letter obviously,
Mhm.
and then they'll be giving you 15 to 20 days time.
That
Means
also will
the
come to
joining,
next step portal joining letter.
yeah, joining letter will also come to next step portal only.
Okay.
So it will come, and also in your mail also I guess you will receive. So
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
they'll tell you have received the joining letter or something.
Mhm.
So 20 days, 15 to 20 days time will be there, and in the joining letter it will be mentioned that which documents are required for verification.
Mhm.
And yes, one more suggestion is there: if possible, please do prepare your passport and NSR before the joining letter comes, because won't get much time. So passport and that those documents means which won't come handy within that time, so that should be prepared beforehand. So
Okay.
in that 20 days, you will have to submit your NSR, your passport, and Aadhaar, and everything. Means whatever
Mhm.
required for your degree certificate, whatever required for background verification.
Mhm.
And after you join, then your ILP training will begin. So as I told that it will be 7 to 10 days, and you won't have to appear for exam if you pass with 80%. But
Mhm.
you, if you have got 60% or are not able to clear explore,
Mhm.
then unless you pass that exam, you will have to keep giving exams. In our time, 3 chances were given for clearing ILP.
Okay.
Okay, so I cleared ILP in my first attempt only because I had already cleared explore. But
But you
means
have
sometimes
60%, no? So for how many days it went, this ILP training went for you?
no, rule will be same. Means it is same rule. If I, even if I don't pass, and if I pass with 60%, it is same. Only just ki I'll get the joining bonus.
Okay, okay.
So I didn't know about that during my time. So I made the mistake of not passing with 80%. Otherwise, I would have passed. Then when I came to know, I cleared it in my first attempt
So
itself.
you got
Because
joining bonus?
yeah, I got.
What you did with that money? Simply kidding. Okay, fine. So how much you had got joining bonus?
I got 40,000 because I passed with 60%. So,
Very good. Okay, fine. Next.
yeah. So after that means
Okay, one question I want to interrupt you here
yeah.
because it's very, very important for the student.
Hmm.
Now, TCS interview, like mainly this year has gone mainly on the luck. So many students like who are capable, I know them personally. They appeared for Prime and they got Ninja, and somebody appeared, for digital without, and they didn't have much thing idea about it, but they got digital Prime. So I mean, they appeared for Prime and they got Prime. So all those things has happened, right? But now, definitely ILP will be a challenge for them, right? Because see, somehow you can crack this written interview, but they have something I know. But now, if they want to clear ILP in one shot, then this time, how should they utilize? What should they study so that they will be able to crack this ILP?
Sir, in that case, I'll tell them to strictly follow the video materials
Hmm.
and everything which they are
No,
sharing.
suppose
And
from
also,
outside, like suppose from outside sources, if they want to use, anyway, they will follow the video material
yeah,
and they have to take it very seriously. Yeah.
I can suggest you one material that is kumarweb.com that used to exist in our time. I haven't checked the site after that.
Hmm.
So kumarweb.com is a site where means previous year's questions are solved.
Okay. This ILP.
Yeah, like I was in 2021, so 2019 and 2018, like some years before, questions were there and they were solved. So
Okay.
there they can see the format, and format we won't change. Means question for are of same type only. Means
So
they are
basically,
not
they
a
have
much
to
of a
read either
difference.
Java or Python, and they have to read Unix and all those things they have to read, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah.
So they can take help from there.
Okay, okay.
And
Go ahead.
yeah, and otherwise, yeah, they means if they follow the video materials and that site which I told, na, it only will do. Means I only did that only. Means I didn't do anything extra.
Okay, fine. Okay.
And yeah, so you will get three chances after joining to clear that exam if you haven't cleared it with 80% marks.
What happens
So
if you don't clear in 3 attempts
yeah, actually,
ILP?
that I don't know. Means that I have no idea because what happens if you don't clear the third time? Also, maybe you are given some chance, or maybe some are you may be
Oh,
selected in a project. Then
TCS
you
is
are
TCS is very, very strict now, and that's what I was saying in the beginning. So some days ago, I got one comment from one of the girl itself, like, "Sir, I was not able to clear you know uh, this particular training ILP, and now it's like I'm going to get."
yeah,
Yeah. So this they have to take very, very seriously, and they have also mentioned this clearly in the offer letter that ILP is very, very important to clear. So guys, start reading Java, start reading Python. Okay, make this time, no, use it very carefully and crack this ILP in the first attempt itself and get into a very good project. Yeah. So, and will there be any domain-based training after ILP completion and all?
yeah. After you clear your ILP, so means you complete your training. So there will be calls. Means you will get interview calls
Mhm.
from various project managers.
Okay.
So they'll maybe asking you some basic questions.
Mhm.
Okay, so you answer them, and then they'll take you in their projects.
Okay.
So
So
after
based on
you,
the interest and the interviews you clear,
yeah,
you will be getting assigned to. Okay.
yeah. They ask you that whether you are interested. They'll tell their project structure and everything.
Mhm.
And one more thing is that when you get selected in a project, na, in that project only the seniors will be providing you KT. So
Knowledge
there
transfer.
only you learn in project only. Means whichever domain you enter, your seniors will only be telling you.
Okay. And how did you upgrade from Ninja and Digital, and after how many months it happened? So can you please let us know about that?
Actually, I cleared that means our time, na, means before our time it was DCA.
Mhm.
But in our time, means the time when I cleared, it was TCS Elevate Wings, means name was changed to TCS Elevate Wings, and also the pattern was changed
Mhm.
quite a bit.
Mhm.
Okay, so there in my time, like MCQ Java, I mean, since I selected Java, so MCQ Java questions were there, and two programming questions will be there.
After how many months? Like,
Yeah, just that's what I'm calculating actually. I joined in August 2021 and I passed the May assessment of 2022.
mhm.
So around 6 to 7 months you can take. And
Okay.
yes, how I cleared it is again thanks to you. I bought the digital cracker from your platform itself.
You are already good at coding and all, and that's the reason you felt it. But anyway, thank you for appreciating, because many of the students nowadays, like, they will not even tell thanks also, so they will ask their doubts and they will just run away. So that is
No,
a difference
actually, I
between
only
the old
followed
students.
your questions and everything only, and that only did a lot of work for me. So,
Okay, that's great.
yeah.
Okay, so this is, and for the background verification also, the police went to your home and these things happened, because generally this happens in background verification. So they will
Actually,
get your address.
uh,
Yeah.
mm, no, police, I don't remember police came or not, but yeah, you have to send pictures of your home and that notary certificate you need and all that means the documents exactly. I don't remember, but no, means you have to get stamp from a lawyer or something.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
those things are there, but yeah, I don't think police came to my house.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not very sure actually. Maybe they came also, my parents
Yeah,
handed.
yeah. So all this background verification, this will happen so that, like,
Yeah.
or they
Yes,
might, you
normal.
might
They are
to go.
normal, not anything in particular. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. So I think this is great information. Would you like to add anything from your side?
No, I have nothing to add, but if you want to ask
Okay, yeah,
something,
the last question I had forgotten. So there are many, I was seeing, like, there are many people are commenting, don't join TCS. Okay, so what do you think? So how is the TCS is a game changer in your life, and how do you think, like, I mean, what do you say to the fresher that they should join or not, or how is the environment, how is the work culture? So all those things we wanted to, because you are working in TCS and you are the right person. See, I worked in Tata long back. It's like, 10 years back, but you are still working, so now you know the environment, the learning, the growth, all those things.
yeah. So what I tell is ki work culture is very good. Like seniors will be friendly, they'll be guiding you and everything.
Mhm.
So that's not an issue. And technology is also good, means whatever technology you are allotted. So means you will be getting learning opportunities. There that won't be an issue. And yes, in order to upgrade, you will have to appear for the exams. So after digital also innovator exam is there that can increase your package after I mean it comes after digital innovator you can appear only if you have cleared digital.
Mhm.
So means they are giving you opportunities to like upgrade yourself. So
You just have to show your capability, show yourself, right?
yeah,
So TCS is, according to you, TCS is best, right?
yeah, it's yeah,
Even I feel the same,
yeah.
because I started my career with TCS, and I don't know, like, what helped me, but the 2 years of my career, the beginning 2 years of my career, definitely I learned a lot of things, and I jumped from TCS to another company with more than 100% hike actually. So TCS is such, I mean, Tata, not TCS, Tata Lexi, I was part of. So Tata is such a brand that it will leave a brand on you, and wherever you will go, definitely you will be like carried forwarded with the
Yeah.
Tata, because of our Ratan Tata sir. So
Moreover, environment is very supportive actually, they'll support you means a lot.
very good. Thank you. So
Yeah,
thank you, Ankita. I think this will help them a lot. And I mean, you recalled so many things and told. So this was the information they were basically looking. Thank you.
thanks a lot, sir.